Huntsman is one of the world's leading amine catalyst producers with over 50 years of experience in urethane chemicals. We recently announced plans to expand our Pétfürdő, Hungary facility. This will help meet growing demand for polyurethane catalysts and specialty amines. The multi-million-dollar investment project is expected to be completed by mid-2023. These products are used in making everyday items like foam for automobile seats, mattresses, and energy-efficient spray foam insulation for buildings. Our innovative urethane product portfolio helps lower emissions and odors of consumer products. They also contribute to global sustainability efforts. The Hungarian government has awarded Huntsman a grant of $3.8 million to support the planned expansion. Huntsman leaders attended a grant award ceremony in Budapest, Hungary, hosted by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade.
In particular, with consumers increasingly demanding cleaner, eco-friendly solutions, this expansion will position us well for significant growth with these global sustainability trends, like better home insulation, increased lightweighting for vehicles, and reduced emissions for consumer goods.
Huntsman leaders joined local Pétfürdő government officials for a groundbreaking event at the manufacturing site. A time capsule containing documents about the project was buried near the future construction site.
Here you have the embodiment of a great culture from a great region and from a great country. Here's where Danube River comes together with great writers, great poets, great freedom fighters, and a long history of human creativity. And when we put all of these aspects together, we rapidly came to the realization that our single largest investment that we would be making for the next 2 or 3 years anywhere in the world would be here at this location.
Well, oftentimes people wonder, what do we actually make that comes through these pipes? Because we don't actually produce a product that you can hold in your hand. It's usually a liquid product. So these are the building blocks. If you are looking at a car that is going to be lighter, if you're looking at how do you make an automobile more efficient, or how do you make a home stronger, or the efficiencies of a home in the insulation, more energy conservation.
We are not just going to make an economic investment here, but we're also going to make an investment in our future, an investment in the environment, an investment to continue the progress of society, and at the same time, we're going to clean it up.